Hello everyone, just try this question. This question says that if force which is equal to 350I minus 250J minus 450K Newton and cable AB is 9 meter long, determine the x, y, z coordinates of the point A. So, we understand this question through the example. Let's suppose if we have the force which has the value of 24 I cap Newton. This 24 right here, it is basically the magnitude of that force. And this I cap right here, it is basically the unit vector of that force. But this I cap tell us that the 24 Newton force is actually directed along the positive x-axis. Similarly, if you see the equation diagram, the head of this force is directed along the point B. It means that the point B, it is basically the final point here, and point A, it is nothing but the initial point here. And number second thing is, this F which is equal to 24 I cap Newton, which I already written here, could be written in another way, and that is vectorial force which is equal to magnitude of force into the unit vector. And this unit vector, it is nothing but vector upon magnitude. So we can write as vectorial force which is equal to magnitude of force into the vector upon the magnitude of the vector. So in the equation diagram, the force is actually acting towards point B. So the unit vector in this case, it is nothing but the position vector which is directed along from point A towards point B. So this could be written as, in professional way, vectorial force which is equal to magnitude of force into the unit vector which is RBA. Why RBA? Because B, it is the final point and A, it is the initial point. But how could we know? Because the head of this force is directed towards the point B. That's why B is the final point and A is the initial point. Now RBA vector upon RBA vector magnitude. This is basically the formula which we are using to calculate the coordinates of x, y and z axis. Now I raise some extra thing from here. Therefore, this formula helps us to solve this question. According to this formula, we have the vectorial force according to the equation. Similarly, we have the magnitude form of this rod AB, that is 9 meter long. The only thing we don't know, it is the position vector or the vectorial form or the Cartesian form of RBA. So, which we are going to determine. Now the magnitude of force are given by F magnitude, which is equal to under root fx square plus fy square plus fz square. According to the equation statement, the 350, it is basically the fx. The 250, it is basically the fy, and similarly the 450, it is basically the fz. So it will be written as 350 square with positive sign, 250 square with positive sign, 450 square. Grab the calculator, put the values into it and solve it for the magnitude of f. Now the magnitude of f are given by 622.49 Newton. This is basically the magnitude of f. Now it could be written as the vectorial form of force are given by 350I with negative sign, 250J with negative sign, 450K, which is equal to the magnitude of force. And the magnitude of force, it is the value of 622.49 into the position vector of RBA, which we are going to find out, divided by the magnitude of RBA. And according to the equation, it is nothing but the 9. So it will become RBA, which is equal to 350I with negative sign, 250J with negative sign, 450K into 9 and divided by 622.49. So multiply 9 upon 622.49 to the individual term present here. So it will get the RBA, which is equal to 350 into 9 and divided by 622.49. So you will get 5.06I. Similarly, with negative sign, 250 into 9 and divided by 622.49. So you will get 3.61 J cap. With negative sign, 450 into 9 and divided by 622.49. So it will be 6.50 K cap. And don't forget to write down the unit. It is nothing but the meter. So the value of x, y and z are written as bracket x comma y comma z, which is equal to 5.06 comma negative 3.61 comma negative 6.50 meter. Now, your question has been solved here and your concept too. So please like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends too. Jazakallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.